Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable text to speak feature in Motorola phones. Before proceeding further, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe it and like the video for more videos. So let's start. First you have to go to the setting option in your Motorola smartphone, then swipe down, or you can just search on search bar, click on accessibility, then swipe down. You can see there is a select to speak option. Click on it and turn it on, press allow, and there is a shortcut for select to speak. Click on got it, and when you just click on it, it visible, and then like this, and it is now speaking your text which you have hold it.
Drag your finger across the screen to select multiple
like
items.
this.
Tap play
And
to
if you
hear
want to
everything
just
on
pause
screen.
it, just
Select
simply
text
click on pause, and if you want to just start from this, you can just click on this
How to use
like
select
this.
to speak. How to use select to
You
speak.
can
Start select
pause on,
speak.
or you can just move side left side and right side also by doing this, and it also turn off from like this. If you have done speaking,
How to use select to speak.
then press this
Start
red
select to
option, and now it is not visible. And if you want to just close it, then simply click on this. Now it is closed. It is very simple. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.